Hello everyone and welcome again to our class. And today we will talk about physical fitness assessment, and this is the second lesson in physical education for the third quarter. For our learning competency and objective, at the end of the lesson, you'll be able to undertake physical activity and physical fitness assessments, and you'll be able to define the meaning of physical fitness assessment, identify the different physical fitness assessments, and lastly, understand the purpose and importance of physical fitness assessment. Although this lesson is a short one, I encourage everyone to take down notes in order for us to fully understand our topic for today. And also, remember that we are going to have a short activity after our discussion. So let's get started. So before we fully understand what the meaning of physical fitness assessment is, let's just have a recap of what physical fitness is all about. Physical fitness refers to the ability of your body systems to work together efficiently to allow you to be healthy and perform activities of daily living, while assessment is the evaluation or estimation of the nature, quality, or ability of someone or something. Now, with both this definition in mind, let's define physical fitness assessment. Physical fitness assessment is a test or measurement to get fitness or health information about a person. It can be a biometric related to the body or assess the current level of fitness. Questionnaires can serve as an assessment to collect personal information or additional health information. Many fitness assessment test one or more of the components of fitness. Some fitness assessment may also test balance, stability, mobility, and other sports or performance skills such as power or agility. Now, there are benefits and limitations to all fitness assessments. Some use detailed to no equipment, while some use expensive equipment. Some require trained fitness professionals to conduct. Some are easily administered by anyone if they can allow or follow the instruction. It is important to choose the fitness assessment that make you the most sense for you. We have different physical fitness assessment. First, we have general health information. Second, body composition testing. Third, cardiovascular endurance testing. Fourth, strength and endurance testing. And last, flexibility testing. All this physical fitness assessment has only one purpose, and that is to test or measure the fitness or health information about a person. So first, let's discuss the meaning of general health information. Before starting a fitness program, it is important to share your medical history with your trainer or to get the necessary approvals from your doctor to proceed. Most fitness specialists will use one or more screening tools to help determine your baseline health. This may include obtaining vital sign measurements such as your weight, height, and others. Kaya nga di ba bago tayo mag-conduct ng kahit anong physical fitness activities, usually ang una nating ginagawa is to get our BMI. So yung pagkuha natin ng BMI is one of example of having general health information. Many specialist trainers will also use a physical activity readiness questionnaire, also known as PARQ. It comprises of 7 or more questions related to your general health. Among the questions, you may be asked about the types of medication you take, any problems you have with dizziness or pain, or any medical condition that may impair your ability to exercise. Bakit ganon? Bakit kinakailangan pang mag-conduct nitong physical activity readiness questionnaire? Kasi merong ilang mga tao na hindi sila maaring mag-undergo ng ilang certain physical activities dahil sa kanilang health condition na halimbawa kapag ginawa nila yung physical activity na yun is mag-worsen yung kanilang medical condition or hindi na ito makakatulong sa kanila. And that is the reason why kapag nagkakaroon ng general health information test, inaamin natin dun sa mga specialist or dun sa ating trainer kung ano talaga yung condition ng ating katawan para maisip nila o makita nila kung ano yung mga hindi nila pwedeng ipagawa sa atin. Aside from conducting general health information, there is this so-called body composition testing. Body composition testing describes the different components that make up your total body weight, including your muscles, bones, and fat. So kung gusto mo malaman if you are underweight, overweight, or even obese, and if you are having a normal weight, then body composition testing is what you need to undergo. There are different types of body composition testing. We have bioelectrical impedance analysis or BIA, and we have body mass index or also known as BMI, and lastly is we have skin fold measurements. Bioelectrical impedance analysis sends electrical signals from electrodes through the soles of your feet to your abdomen to estimate your body composition. Body mass index or also known as BMI is a generalized calculation of body fat based on your height and weight. And skin fold measurement calipers are used to estimate how much body fat there is in a fold or skin. Another type of physical fitness assessment is what we call cardiovascular endurance testing. Cardiovascular endurance testing is also known as a stress testing. It measures how efficiently your heart and lungs work to supply oxygen and energy to your body during physical activity. Example of this cardiovascular endurance testing is a 12-minute run test. Usually, ginagawa ng mga doctors dito is gumagamit sila ng treadmill dun sa kanilang client or dun sa kanilang pasyente para malaman kung mas mabilis bang mapagod yung kanilang pasyente o hindi. Kaya nga siya tinagurian na stress testing kasi doon na-assess yung endurance nung heart at saka nung lungs nung pasyente or nung kanilang kliyente. Then we also have strength and endurance testing. The exercise include the push-up test and core strength and stability test. In some cases, a trainer will use a metronome to see how long can you keep up with the rhythm. Results are then compared to people of the same age group and sex to establish your baseline levels. Strength and endurance tests are valuable as they help the trainer pinpoint which muscle groups are stronger and which are vulnerable and in need of focused attention. So usually, ginagawa dito sa strength and endurance testing is pinagpo-push up yung kanilang client or minsan yung core strength and stability test. So doon, after na paggawa sa kanila yung mga series of activities na ito, kino-compare siya dun sa mga tao na merong same age group or sex para malaman nila kung kaparehas ba nila yon, kumbaga kung nandun ba sila dun sa same na base level ng mga tao na yon. And yun na nga yun. Para ang purpose naman nito is ma-pinpoint nung trainer kung ano ba yung muscle group nung tao na yon na mas malakas at saka alin yung mahina para dun yung papalakasin nila or yun yung i-improve nila dun sa mga susunod na mga physical activities na gagawin nila. And lastly, we have flexibility testing. Example of flexibility testing are shoulder flexibility testing and sit and reach testing. So what is the purpose of flexibility testing? Measuring the flexibility of your joint is vital in determining whether you have postural imbalance, foot instability, or limitation in your range of motion. So, kadalasan dito nalalaman kung mayroong mga problema sa posture ng isang tao. So, kinagagawa sila nito mga shoulder flexibility test or para malaman din kung hanggang saan yung limitation ng range ng motion ng isang tao. To summarize, sobrang importante na mag-undergo ang bawat isa sa atin ng physical fitness assessment. Kasi dito nagkakaroon tayo ng awareness kung hanggang saan ba yung kaya natin magawa sa isang particular na activity, whether it is sports or different types of recreational activities. So dito din, malalaman natin kung saan tayo mahina at ano yung mga kalakasan natin, and from there, makakapag-decide tayo kung ano gusto nating i-improve dun sa physical fitness component na iyon. Now that we are done with our discussion, it's time for our activity. All you need to do is to answer the following questions. Number 1, what component of physical fitness do you need to improve in your body? So sa'yo personally, ano ba sa tingin mo yung component ng physical fitness na kinakailangan mong i-improve? Ito ba ay cardiovascular endurance or flexibility Do you need to improve your balance? Do you need to improve your strength or yung endurance mo? Or ano pa ba yung iba't ibang mga component ng physical fitness that you want to improve in order to have a better health? And the second question is, what physical fitness assessment do you think you need to undergo in order to improve that component of physical fitness? For example, gusto mo na i-improve yung body composition mo, mas maging sexy ka or mas pumayat ka, ganyan. Or gusto mo mas lumaki yung katawan mo. Then, I think that the physical fitness assessment that you need to undergo is body composition testing, di ba? Para malaman mo. Or halimbawa, gusto mo na i-improve yung cardiovascular endurance mo, then I think that you need to undergo cardiovascular endurance testing. So yun. Kayo lang bukod tayo makakasagot niyan kasi kayo naman yung nakakaalam nung kakayahan ng inyong katawan. So how are you going to answer these questions? I will be posting an activity on Google Classroom, and then all you need to do is to provide the necessary answers for each of these questions. And then after answering the question, just turn in your assignment. Okay? So that ends our discussion for today. I hope that you have learned something from me and that you will be able to submit your activities for today. If you have any questions, just feel free to give me a personal message or just type it here on the comment box. Again, thank you very much for attending our class, and I see you again next time. Goodbye.